Namaste, my name is Sonal and I'm a parent coach and a psychotherapist. For the last 5 years, I've been working with the students, the teachers, the staff, management, and the parents of and grandparents of Sanskriti the Gurukul and the Atelier in Guwahati. The main program I teach is called Dr. Thomas Gordon's Parent Effectiveness Training, or P.E.T. This program has been around for 60 years. Millions of parents all over the world have benefited from its powerful framework and have improved the lives of their children and themselves. For more information on the program, you can visit my website www.journey2. Today I want to talk about the two main reasons parents give me for not signing up for a powerful program such as P.E.T. One is money, it costs too much, and time, it takes too much time. From the moment our children are born to the time they will leave home and become independent, we will be spending money on them on two main categories. One is things such as diapers and clothes and shoes and books and gadgets, and on experiences such as classes and taking them to the zoo and holidays and their education, right? So my question to parents is that we, who are the basis, like the children develop self-esteem and self-confidence and their self-image in a relational context, which means that my relationship with them is what determines how they will ultimately show up and turn up in life. You know, who they will be and how confident they will be and what their image of themselves is. So my question is, how much do you spend on upgrading yourself, right? What is it worth to you to learn powerful communication skills that will impact your child's life going forward? The second most common reason I hear that parents can't do the program is time, that they don't have time on the weekend, so they're committed with other things. It may be the many different things. It's festivals, it's weddings, it's holidays, and other commitments that they have. And so this program I do once a year in Guwahati, and it runs for 24 hours in a year total. So one day out of 365 days. So my question to you is, what priority, what value, what importance do you give to upgrading yourselves and spending that 24 hours in becoming a better parent, right? In learning skills that will help you for the rest of the 364 days of the year and all the days to come, right? So we're investing time and we're investing money in things and experiences for our children, but the single most important thing, which is us, how much are we investing in that, and what value does that hold for you? So that's my question for parents when they think about joining a program such as P.E.T. or any such other program that upgrades their skills.